Hello everyone, welcome again to my channel. I'm Archana Singh. Our today's topic is research data collections, methods and tools. So first of all, we will discuss what is research, then we'll discuss research tools. Right, research means search for knowledge. Okay, it aims at finding out truth, art of scientific investigation, and it is a fact finding process, a movement from known to unknown, and it is an organized and systematic way of finding the answer to the question, right? So in order to collect information for research, we use some methods and tools. So what is tools? We can say that tools is an instrument that help you to complete your work. Okay, for example, we take a scissor for cutting a cloth. So here scissor is a tool. Okay, doctor used BP monitor for measuring the blood pressure of a patient. So here BP monitor is a tool. Okay, it helps doctor for measuring the blood pressure of patient. Similarly, in research also we use some tools for data collection, right? So we used interview method, we used questionnaire, we used observation for data collection in research. Okay, here interview is a method in research data collection, and interview schedule is a tool for data collection. Okay, interview schedule is a tool for research data collection. So what is an interview? An interview is essentially a conversation, a communication in which one participant asks question and other provide answer, right? So the person who asks question is interviewer and the person who provide answer is interviewee, right? For example, we face interview when we go for a job, right? So there's two type of interview: structured interview and unstructured interview, right? So let us discuss what is structured interview. Okay, structured interview is when the interviewer involves the use of set of predetermined questions. Okay, interviewer already have planned that I have to ask only 10 questions, I have to ask only 20 questions. Okay, so interviewer asks predetermined questions, right? And that is structured interview, right? So now what is unstructured interview? As the name indicate, unstructured. Unstructured interview has a flexibility. Okay, it does not follow a system of predetermined question. It can ask questions according to the performance and intelligence of interviewee, right? For example, during an interview session of an actor, the interviewer asked that which one is your best movie. Then actor replied that this is my best movie. Then again interviewer asked that why it is your best movie. So in unstructured interview, we don't follow the rule of predetermined question and we can ask question according to the interest level of interviewee, right? Next method of data collection is questioning. Okay, questioning is a method and questionnaire is a tool for data collection, right? So what is questionnaire? A questionnaire is a research instrument that consists of a set of questions that aims to collect information from a respondent, right? For example, we all have appeared in exams, right? And in exam we find a set of questions that we have to answer. Okay, and that set of questions is called questionnaire, right? Research questionnaire is typically a mix of close-ended questions and open-ended questions, right? So what is open-ended questions? Okay, open-ended questions is when we describe the questions. Okay, for example, when we go in a restaurant or in our hotel, when we check out, they gave us a set of questions that how we experience about their hotel, their food qualities and their staff's behavior. Okay, and when we describe about their performance, that is open-ended questions. We describe. Okay, close-ended question is when we answer with yes or no. Okay, for example, when we ask, "Do you like coffee?" we answer yes. Okay, that is closed ended questions. In research, we used questionnaire as a tool for data collection in survey method, right? Next method of research data collection is observation method. Okay, so observation method is one of the basic method and oldest method of data collection. Okay, data is obtained by investigator on direct observation without asking from the respondent, right? If observation is systematically planned and recorded, can be used to check for their validity and reliability, assess through senses with or without mechanical devices. Okay, observation technique we can used through our senses with or without mechanical devices. Okay, and it was commonly used for behavioral studies, right? Next tool of data collection is achievement test. Okay, achievement test is an important tool in school evaluation and has great significance in measuring instructional progress and progress of student in the subject area, right? So these are some important tools and methods for data collection. Hope this video was helpful for you. So please like, share and subscribe and stay with archana@jrf.in. Thank you.